So it's September 4th and I'm still on a good high right now. And I woke up this morning and started decluttering a lot of things. I decluttered my dresser, which just had a bunch of stuff I just wasn't wearing anymore. My closet, a little bit of my closet, just to get rid of all the little nooks and things that started to come out of place. My desk office area, and then now I am tackling this hallway monstrosity, and I'm trying not to let myself get in over my head. I notice that when I declutter things, I get this sudden urge to go shopping for, bins and baskets and, organizing tools, and that's not necessary. The goal today is just to get rid of stuff that I know for a fact I haven't touched within the last year. So I'm gonna take this closet into steps, and I'm hoping that I can calm it down because I do get excited very easily. But all right, you gonna help me, Mace? Are you gonna help me? You are. All right. So starting at the bottom level, I have a ton of just folders full of random bits and bobs of, I don't know, information that I don't look at. So for example, I have here a folder that has all of a lot of you guys know I used to work for Mac. It has all of these like Mac training information, different types of memorabilia. And while it's really great to look at and you're like, oh my gosh, like this is when I used to work for Mac, back when the Untamed collection came out. When have I ever opened up this damn book? Like hardly ever. So I'm looking at this stuff going, you know what? I think it's time to part ways. I don't work there anymore. So it's time to, oh my God, look at this. Get rid of a lot of this stuff that honestly, it's not in my world anymore. I already know this information. So why am I keeping it? It's just sitting there collecting clutter and collecting chaos, and I don't need it. But you have to separate yourself from the stuff that's just collecting dust and the stuff that you actually use on a daily basis. And that's what I'm trying to live at. I'm not trying to be I guess that is a minimalist kind of way of thinking. You only keep things that you actually use in your life. You don't need to store things, So I got a big task ahead of me, but today is just declutter. Today is okay because I have to clean my house just to get the Lion King video. Yesterday, fucking brat. Yesterday was a pain, and I mean pain. I fell down and now I have a bruise. So nice to talk to you, but I have to go. Bye. March 10th, 1995. So here's a box I pulled down from one of the shelves. It's full of hair supplies, and I don't do hair. So why do I have a box of hair supplies? I don't even do my own damn hair. I need to put this up in a ponytail or something. Even if I do look like a dude, this is crazy. Okay, much better. So this is the reality of having a shaved head, by the way. If you have no makeup on and your hair is up in a bun, you look like a crazy samurai. I don't do hair, so there's no need for me to have any of this stuff. So I have here a metal hair coloring thing this came out by Redken. It's like hair paint. Actually, so this is the hard part about being a makeup artist, is that, well, look how tiny this is. And it's like this glittery silver gel that you put in your hair that kind of colors your hair. And this one's gold. I mean, this could be good for character makeup. Oh, now I know why I have this. Okay, I don't have this. Why? Shirt Sculpt. What is this? Touchable texturizing gel? Really? See, I need help. How do you organize when you think you need the things that you have? Like, I literally just got done saying I don't do hair. But, when it comes to Halloween, we're around the corner. I don't know what I'm going to do for Halloween this year. I have an idea of what I want to do for Halloween, but that would require me cutting my hair even more. Because I go in it when I dress up. But I don't know if I'm going to change my mind, or I don't know if I'm going to actually do makeup during Halloween. So these could come in handy. This short gel stuff, I mean, it could come in handy for someone with a pixie cut. I don't know. product is different, but when I look at things like this, granted, I think these are Sam Villa, and he gave them to us when we were doing a Redken show. Yeah, these are Sam Villa. And I love Sam Villa. But I mean, the reality is that I'm not using this. I also got this from him, and it's just a little booklet of shit that I don't need. I don't need these. And I don't know if I'll ever do hair in my life. Like, I don't know if I will pick it up. I understand being a combo artist is super important if you want to just, you know, broaden your horizon, but it's not like that for me. I mean, this wide tooth comb that I now dropped on the floor, that's great, but I don't know what to do in this situation, because it's like, this I know I'm going to not throw away, I'm going to give away to an actual hairstylist who can, you know, clean these off and use them for their kit. But it's like the little combs and stuff, these are special. Are they? I don't know. So I'm going to get rid of what I know I'm not going to use, and then I guess we'll just go from there. I feel like I need an actual person. What do they call it? Like, organizer, a professional organizer to come in and go, you don't really need that, throw it away. I just found a double pack of American Crew. This is not cheap, and I just bought a new one because I thought I was completely out. I do a lot of men's grooming when it comes to makeup, and this is a product that I always have in my kit. I had two. So yeah, definitely go through your closets and your containers and stuff, because you just never know how much product you're actually sitting on if you are a beauty consultant. All right, let's move on. I don't know how I'm gonna go about doing this. I already started to bring everything onto my bed. Well, should have taken things off my bed before doing this, but so I started to like put all the wipies and the stuff, the extra knickknacks that I'm finding here. But like, how do you clean? I think to clean properly, you have to take everything out and then divide it all into their own categories separately outside of any container, so that you can see exactly what you have and what would fit in specific containers. I think that's the smartest way to go. I don't want to do all that. That means I have to make a commitment to actually do this entire thing all at once. And after doing just the bottom level of the books, I feel like I can easily go in over my head. Can you hear the spa music in the background? Like that's my vibe right now. That is my life. Like, this is what I gotta do to accomplish this. All right, wish me luck. I'm going in. Actually, I think what I'm gonna do now is do the unbelievable task of going live on Periscope while I declutter this nonsense. Just to kind of help me sort through things to see what I do and I don't need. So if you guys want to see the live chat, then go to my Periscope, which is @LanaReese, and scroll to where you see Closet Declutter, and you can see this in real time-ish.
3 hours later.
Well, I am completely exhausted. I just took out my bun that was in my hair. I don't know what this is going to turn into. Holy cow. But I have finished my work. Look at this. Perfection. I can't believe I did it. I just can't. So today overall has been a very, very productive day. I don't think I should have done all of this work because I don't know how it's going to affect me tomorrow. So I'm not going to work anymore today, even though I really, really want to. I look fucking crazy right now, mind you. This isn't... I look like a Tim Burton character right now. Anyway, there's a dresser over in the corner over there that has like my socks, bras, underwears, leggings, sports bras. I decluttered that as well. I got rid of all the bras that are no longer cute to me or fit right or fit well, and right and well, fit comfortable. Just all the underwear I don't like, the socks I don't like, the sports bras I never wear, and I just got rid of them all. And with my closet, well, it looks kind of messy right now, but whatever. I completely organized that as well. I got rid of, what did I get rid of? What did I do different here? Oh, I know. I cleaned up this portion, this 3 cubby. This one right here like was sticky, so it was bare for the longest time because I didn't want to clean it. So I cleaned it. And I moved my purses up. They used to be down there. And then that right there is full of sheets, bed sheets, which will be taken out and then put into there, because that's what I needed an extra space for, because I wanted to open up that. And I ended up taking out actually all of my shorts that were once in that dresser, cluttering the hell out of it. And now my shorts are all, you know, lined up here. I have here shoes I gotta get rid of. I have all of my jeans stacked up, and then all of my pajama sets stacked up, and then everything under here is sort of like a collection of other PJ sets that are like shorts and tank tops, and then I have like workout gear and then some sweats. So I still have to organize the workout gear and the PJ sets, because a lot of it's just like whatever leftover tops and bottoms that I no longer wanted up here, so I now sleep in them. So, you know, it's progress, and I think that's a lot of work too, going through stuff and going, do I need this? Do I not need this? And, you know, I did a part of this last night, but I also completed it today. So I'm going to consider it as a project I also did today. And that was I have stuff on the desk. Well, I organized this area as well. So the top portion of this desk, I don't have before and afters of anything, just because, what are you doing, kid? You just keep wiping off yourself. Why are you feeling yourself? Quit it, squirrel. So this was a cluttered mess, as was that, and I finally decided to clean everything, so everything now has its place. And as you can see, I have empty shelves now. I don't know what's happening. I just was like, I must clean. And, you know, now I have to tackle that. And it is what it is with that stuff. I have other things to tackle now. I have this closet to tackle. I'd like to get rid of this finally. There's things I want to sell and get rid of, which I'm having a hard time doing, because nobody wants tennis shoes that are brand new, random Pumas. Like, nobody wants to buy that. What is up with my hair? I need to take a shower. But yeah, so I'm having trouble doing that. I may just have to either keep them or just consider donating them. And it's weird. It's a weird feeling. I'm excited. I'm happy that I did all of this hard work today. And I'm excited to see where I take myself in a couple of days. Like tomorrow, I'm going to give myself the time off. I have family coming over to visit, and I'm not going to do any cleaning. Nope. And since it's probably like 6:30 right now p.m. and all I've been doing all day today is cleaning, I'm going to start my night routine and get into the swing of finally getting ready for bed. Because last night I got a late start with my night routine and I almost didn't do a thing. I almost went, fuck it, I'm going to bed, I'm tired. So I forced myself to get through most of the things I had to do. So I realized that when I have a routine I have to do, I got to start it early. So it's time to go to bed. You know, I have a system now, which is weird. I've never had a system. Granted, this is all very new, and I'm, it's September 4th. So it feels like, you know what? It feels like I've been doing this for a year. I feel like this is my life. So strange, but I want to come back here September 30th and be like, new year, new me, bitches. I got routines and my entire place is organized. Oh my God. What's next for me? I think goals are important. Little goals, you know. What did I put in my bullet journal? Let's see. Let's see. I put a lot of stuff down for September, to be honest, because I have the time off this month. And I just figured, well, I don't want to go back to work feeling like I didn't do anything, like I didn't use my time wisely, you know? So I did put down here all of the to-dos that I needed to get done, that I would like to get done this month. So organize the TV center, declutter the entry closet. So maybe those two things will be next. Declutter my bathroom, which is a necessity. Declutter my costumes. So half of my closet is overrun by costumes and wigs and props, all of which that I don't really use much anymore, just because the last 3 years of my life I have been traveling, and a lot of my costumes I've been just purchasing on the fly, and normally I don't wear a costume twice, but some of my costumes are so legit and they've been custom made, or I made them. I have a hard time, even right now, thinking about the ones that I have a hard time giving them away or donating, you know what I mean? Donating them, or I can't really sell them. So it's like, I'm gonna have a really hard time getting rid of the costume portion of my life, just because that I feel like that is a part of me, but at the same time, is it? Like, I haven't done it in a while, and if I do dress up this year, I want to be something completely different. So why am I keeping costumes if I'm not going to use them again? You know, it kind of makes no sense. So type in the comments below what you think and what you do with your Halloween costumes. Do you guys reuse them? Do you guys just give them to somebody? What do you do with your costumes and your wigs? And oh my gosh, I have so much. I can't get rid of my wigs. I have so many wigs. All right, guys, I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna finally shower and start this whole night routine. And yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's time to get started, because you know, we want to continue filling out this bad boy as much as we possibly can. This is so cute. Oh my God. I can't believe I'm in this headspace right now. I really hope that this is like the second coming for me, because when I would feel this way before during this year, and I would make a YouTube video about how like, oh, I'm gonna, you know, do this over again. I feel really good. You know, it immediately stopped for me. Like it quit like within the next day. And I think because I'm giving myself these little challenges, you know, in the book, and trying to, this is actually legitimately doing it. So kudos to the Boosted Journal for creating this, because I'm now trying to fill it up to level 3. I feel myself going, what else can I do? And I'll look into my productivity icons to see what I can do that doesn't really require too much energy out of me. Because again, I do know that with my mood swings, I don't want to overwhelm myself, because then I will hit an extreme low. Like I will run out of energy and I won't do anything for a while. And I don't want that to happen to me. So I'm super grateful for this tracker, because again, you know, even though I'm doing all this stuff, I'm like, okay, I see here for the past 5 days, I've been very, very productive. I better take it easy today. Otherwise, I'm going to fall flat on my face for a very long time. So this is so exciting for me. Anyway, I know I'm babbling on and on, but I feel like I'm hitting something good. And I'm a little nervous too. I'm a little nervous about how I'm gonna feel tomorrow, tonight. We'll see. Okay guys, see you soon. Bye.